In today's video, I will walk you through how to add volume weighted average price or VWAP in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the VWAP indicator to your chart and access the settings menu for customization inside Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and open your chart workspace. Once your chart is visible on the screen, move to the upper right-hand corner and look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the indicators icon to open the indicators panel. Inside the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to view the available list of indicators that can be added to your chart. After the indicators list appears, you can either scroll through the available options manually or use the search box to find the indicator faster. Type VWAP into the search box or continue scrolling until you locate the indicator in the list. Once you find the VWAP indicator, click on it to add it directly to your chart. After selecting the indicator, Robinhood Legend will automatically apply it to the active chart in your workspace. Beside the WAP name, click on Settings to open the customization menu for the indicator. The Settings panel will allow you to adjust the available options connected to the VWAP indicator. Inside the Settings section, review the available controls and make any changes you want for the indicator setup. Continue through the Settings panel and adjust the options according to your preferred chart appearance. As you make updates inside the Settings menu, the changes will automatically apply to the chart in real time. The VWAP indicator will remain visible and active on the chart while you continue using the platform. At this point, you have successfully added the volume-weighted average price indicator and opened the settings menu for customization inside Robinhood Legend.